So we're getting ready to install this Larson Platinum storm door. And just before we set it in the opening, we're gonna open the bag of screws that came in the box with the door. And you're gonna notice 4 3-inch brass screws, 4 screws that are partially painted red, an Allen key right here, and then you're also going to have the square bit. So this is what you'll use to install the screws. This Allen key will be used for adjusting how far the door opens. Now, before you put the door in the opening, you're going to take one of these 4-inch screws and you're going to reinforce the brick molding on the latch side, or on the hinge side of the door. Because these doors are so heavy and they're exterior mount, you just want to make sure that this piece of trim is very well connected to the door jamb. So pre-drill an 1/8 inch hole and sink all 4 of these brass screws, maybe a foot from the bottom, and then in the middle, 3/4 of the way up, and then all the way up at the top. So that is your next step.